Looking for the most comfortable foldable zero-gravity chair that beats the rest? Our selection of best foldable zero-gravity chairs is perfect for relaxing in your backyard, patio, or while in an RV. These chairs offer unmatched comfort and portability, making them stand out from the competition. Links for each of the foldable chairs will be in the description. Chair number 5. The Slendor Oversized Zero-Gravity Chair. It is designed to be very user-friendly, no assembly is required, and it folds compactly for storage. Whether you're enjoying your backyard, camping, or outside your RV, this chair supports up to 500 pounds and is perfect for individuals up to 6 feet 2 inches tall. The detachable cushion, headrest, cup holder, and footrest combine for a customized lounge experience, while comfort and durability come from the double bungee suspension system. While most users seem to like the size and foldability of the chair, others find it somewhat less intuitive than it could be. The Slendor Zero-Gravity Chair has combined all qualities, including size and comfort, into a single product desirable for relaxation and convenience. Chair number 4, the Sweetcrispy Zero-Gravity Extra Large Padded Lounge Chair. These versatile chairs come with durable alloy steel frames and breathable mesh fabric for a comfortable zero-gravity experience, whether one is at the beach, poolside, or camping. Ergonomically designed, these chairs recline from 0 to 160 degrees, perfectly positioning you for comfort with thickened headrests to relieve head pressure. Built for outdoor functionality, each chair can support up to 330 pounds, thus making them sturdy and reliable companions for any adventure. The lightweight design of just over 15 pounds per chair, along with quick fold features, makes storage and transport a breeze. Detachable tray and lockable reclining function lets you lounge how and when you want. These chairs come in either black or blue and are highly praised in their quality, comfort, affordability, and ease of setup. Although being highly appreciated for comfort and design, it is really the chair's lightweight yet robust construction that wins customers over. Whether setting up in your garden or packing for a trip, Sweetcrispy's zero-gravity chairs are ready to go for any outdoor setting. Chair number 3. The Amazon Basics Outdoor Mesh Zero-Gravity Lounge Rocker. A great addition to anyone who may be looking to add comfort and portability in outdoor seating. This rocker offers ease with its ergonomically designed armrests and padded back headrests to provide seamless relaxation. Constructed of heavy-duty materials for withstanding the elements, this lightweight and foldable design is an easy transport and storage solution wherever your next adventure takes you. The chair has a weight limit of 200 pounds. While users praise its easy assembly, design, and overall value, there are mixed feelings regarding the build quality with the weight support limit. In summary, the Amazon Basics Rocker is an accessible, stylish option for your outdoor relaxation needs. Chair number 2, the best choice folding zero-gravity outdoor chair with canopy shade. This foldable recliner chair boasts a smooth, lockable reclining system for quickly and easily finding your perfect position of zero gravity for comfort and support. Stay cool and out of the sun with the adjustable canopy while having added comfort with the removable headrest pillow. Constructed of high-quality, UV-resistant mesh on a robust steel frame, this recliner is designed to withstand the outdoor elements and provides a unique, relaxing experience. The chair also includes a handy side tray with built-in cup holders, a phone mount, and a tablet holder to keep your essentials close by. Foldable for easy transportation and storage, this recliner is friendly in use and highly practical. This chair can handle up to 250 pounds. In customer reviews, it's comfortable, a great value, and the sunshade is quite effective. However, there are mixed feelings with the build quality, capacity of weight, and the overall size of this chair, as it is not extra large. This chair will serve you right if you are in need of a comfortable zero-gravity chair that's reliable and with extra features. Chair number 1. The Portal Oversized Mesh Back Zero-Gravity Reclining Patio Chair. This extra-large chair comes with a reclining system adjustable from 0 to 170 degrees for comfort to your body. The padded seat, adjustable headrest, and plastic armrests make it ideal for backyard relaxation, beaches, or poolside. It is foldable, comes with no headache setup and transfer, and even has no assemblies. Highly constructed of dense fabric and heavy-duty steel frames, this zero-gravity recliner can support up to 350 pounds. The customers like its strong build, comfortable seating, and beautiful design with a wood grain armrest and nice fabric. While appreciated for comfort and value, some find the chair's weight a bit cumbersome to carry. The Portal Recliner is a compelling choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish seating option for all their outdoor adventures. In summary, if you want the best in comfort and convenience for your outdoor lounging needs, links for each of the chairs are in the description. Choose the best, don't settle for less.